Authentic Malaysian Nasi Lemak recipe. Subscribe and like for a taste of Malaysia. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the diverse flavors of cuisines from around the world. Today, we're taking you on a journey to Malaysia with a beloved dish. Authentic Nasi Lemak. Prepare to be captivated by the aromatic flavors of Southeast Asia. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button to show your support. Let's dive into the vibrant world of Malaysian cuisine. Quote, to create this mouthwatering authentic Nasi Lemak, here's what you'll need. Ingredients: 2 cups jasmine rice, 1 cup coconut milk, 1 cup water, 1 pandan leaf. Optional: 1 teaspoon salt, 2 tablespoons vegetable oil, 1 onion, thinly sliced 2 cloves of garlic, minced 1 tablespoon dried anchovies, 2 tablespoons sambal, Malaysian chili paste, 2 cucumbers, thinly sliced 4 hard-boiled eggs, halved, fresh cilantro or mint leaves for garnish. Now, let's begin our flavorful journey into Malaysian cuisine. Quote, Step 1. Rinse the jasmine rice until the water runs clear. Then drain. In a pot, combine the rice, coconut milk, water, pandan leaf, if using, and salt. Bring the mixture to a boil. Then reduce the heat to low. Cover the pot, and let it simmer for about 15 to 20 minutes, or until the rice is cooked and fragrant. Step 2. While the rice is cooking, let's prepare the accompaniments. In a frying pan, heat the vegetable oil over medium heat. Add the thinly sliced onion and minced garlic, and sauté until they become golden and fragrant. Step 3. Add the dried anchovies to the pan and stir-fry them until they become crispy and golden brown. These little fish add a delightful crunch and a burst of umami flavor to our Nasi Lemak. Step 4. It's time to assemble our tantalizing authentic Nasi Lemak. Place a mound of fragrant coconut rice on a plate, and garnish it with the sautéed onions, crispy anchovies, and a generous spoonful of sambal. Step 5. To complete the Nasi Lemak experience, add a few slices of refreshing cucumber and halved hard-boiled eggs to the plate. These accompaniments balance the flavors and textures, elevating the dish to new heights. Step 6. To add a final touch of freshness and vibrant color, sprinkle some freshly chopped cilantro or mint leaves over the Nasi Lemak. This garnish not only enhances the presentation but also brings a burst of herbaceous flavor to the dish. And there you have it. Our authentic Nasi Lemak is ready to transport you to the vibrant streets of Malaysia. The fragrant coconut rice, spicy sambal, crispy anchovies, and assortment of accompaniments create a harmonious blend of flavors that truly represent the essence of Malaysian cuisine. If you enjoyed this flavorful journey through Malaysian cuisine and want to explore more exotic recipes, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that like button. Your support means the world to us as we continue to bring you amazing recipes from around the globe. Thank you for joining us today. Until next time, happy cooking and selamat makan. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the like button for more delicious recipes. Quote,